border tonight. We were the first to report the new metal barriers are going up on Mount Crystal Ray, which is one of the busiest and one of the most dangerous crossing points for migrants and smugglers.
Oh, I see you. I'm definitely in no man's land. This is private property because it's so close to the border, but you know me, I'm gonna sneak up here and check it out. There's fucking Juarez right there.
Nothing to discuss, more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah, double cups ain't shy, yeah. See this night, I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got mine, I make we link up. Me I come for party, me I come for party. All like that they sip, but they smoke, or they drink or something.
I see you.
Nothing to discuss, more. I get the remedy for this stress, yeah, double cups ain't shy, yeah. See this night, I choose to forget my trouble. I know everybody got things on their mind now, but this time can make it forget though. I get the shy, you get the drinker. If you got my
I see you. Another one up there. Two right there.
Era un domingo en la madrugada.
God, look at those places. Wow. Look at that hole in the side of the mountain. That's for the lookouts. Bet you.